Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to solve Outlook not syncing across devices. So step 1, check your internet connection. Outlook requires a stable internet connection to sync emails and data across devices. So test connectivity on all devices. You can switch networks or you can restart your router. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Step 2, verify Outlook account settings. Incorrect account settings can prevent Outlook from syncing properly. So open Outlook and you need to ensure the incoming and outgoing server settings are correct. So you can just basically look here or you can do the test account settings to verify connectivity. Okay, next is check Microsoft servers. Sometimes the issue is Microsoft servers, not your devices. So you can visit the Microsoft server status page to see if Outlook is experiencing outages. If the servers are down, you need to wait for Microsoft to resolve the issue. Next, go to apps and features and then search for Outlook. Now you have to click this advanced option right here below. So let me search Outlook first, tap advanced option. And then here, what you're going to do is you can see options like repair, reset, and uninstall. So you can try to repair and troubleshoot the Outlook application. You can also do the reset and you can also uninstall the application first or Outlook first and then reinstall it again. So I really hope by following any of this method, it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.